Here we are in the beautiful majesty of nature, Tom. Breathe in that crisp country air. These bags are pretty heavy, eh, Tom?
Ooh yeah, they sure are.
Well, here we are.
Hold on. Phew, the biscuits are okay. What a relief, hey, Bluebird.
I can't feel my brain.
Well, come on, don't be lazy. Put this back on and let's get back up to the top.
Okay, first things first. We must establish a tent.
I'm not sure I understand these tent instructions. Oh, there we go.
Forget about that. I've got the Robo-Tent 5000.
Why 5,000?
Shut up. And watch.
Beep. Hey, that's pretty cool.
Destroy all humans.
I'm not human.
The remote. Beep.
What's all the ruckus?
The crazy tent over there is trying to kill us and he's really mean.
You leave him to me. Take this, and that, and one of these. You fellas look like you need my help, and I graciously accept.
Okay, first rule of camping. You've got to treat nature with respect. You! Stop littering!
I wasn't!
Then whose skin flake is this?
Couldn't be mine. I don't have skin, see?
Nice try, Skinny. I want both of you to clean this place up right now. Wow, fantastic job. Here, have some celebratory treats. Eat it! Now eat yours.
I got the fire. Whoa! Dun, 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 dun.
Tom!
Something the matter?
What? No?
Well, good. Let's go back to the campfire. I think it's time for some dinner.
Well, old pal, it looks like this is it. Maybe staying in and playing cards would have resulted in less death after all.
Oh yeah, food always tastes the best when it's cooked in a ridiculously contrived fashion.
Destroy all humans.
Oh! No! Oh, you can run, but I'll find you. I'll find you. Ah! No, let me go. Honey, I'm home.
Tough day at the office.
Yeah, it's a real killer down there.
That is unfortunate.
I got this for the kids.
Oh good, Mr. Whiskers was needing a replacement.
Well, this stinks.